So a lot of companies, if they're going with Edge Delivery Services, they're still using some of these other Adobe products, which is one of the nice things about Edge Delivery being sold alongside of AEM as a cloud service, is because even if you were like, okay, I'm going to run everything on Edge Delivery, you get a full AEM cloud service implementation also that's basically sitting there for free. For free, you're paying a lot for it, but it's sitting there whether you want to use it or not. So if you want to use it for your taxonomy or use it for your assets or use it for servlets or whatever other funny things that you want to use it for, it's sitting there. The other nice thing is that if you look on the far side over there, you got that Adobe CDN that's there. This is a new product that they rolled out last year, which we're using on one of our customers. It's actually really nice. It's one of the nicer things that I've seen implemented recently. It's a really simple, configurable CDN that, like, I don't know, you guys are all familiar with like Akamai and how Akamai is usually implemented in an organization. It's like a lot of times you have an Akamai team that's totally separate from the marketing team because Akamai is running everything else besides not just your AEM, right? So a lot of times you don't have direct control over your Akamai and it's a real pain to configure. This puts your CDN configurations in the same hands as the people who are rolling out your pipelines. So you can do all like your different backends for different paths. And I have this one crusty old thing that's from 1993 that I still have to keep serving, and it's over here. And so you can just configure your CDN to go and point it at all. So, and companies know this. And so this is, if you're trying to onboard and trying to create a new AEM site, this is something that everybody knows, is that it's like, oh, they're like, oh yeah, I'll just hire some AEM developers. No, you won't. They're tough. So for the most part, a lot of times people like me and Jack and stuff end up, consulting because that's the only way to get a hold of people. So, that makes it tough.